Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to edit and customize a video on Edpuzzle before assigning it to your students. So firstly I will go to my Google Chrome. I have logged in into my Edpuzzle account here. This is the home page. I will go to this menu option on the top left and I will go to my content. So here I will find all my folders. I will go to class 3 English and I will select the very first video. Now you can see the video here. Now I want to edit it. The video is of 2 minutes 25 seconds. I want to make two parts of this video. So I will directly go to this menu option on the top right and click on edit. That's it. Now the editing mode is on. So I'll click on this cut option and then I'll come down. So what I'll do is here, as you can see this blue bar, so I'll have to just shorten it. So it will take little time and effort to actually cut this. So you will have to hold it thoroughly and then cut the video. So now as you can see the video's new time will be 1 minute 44 seconds. So I have cut the video short. So I will just have to click on finish. But before finishing also I want to try the voiceover option. So what we can do is we can go to the voiceover, and I feel that the current accent of this video is not good. My students will not be able to understand. So I can click on this start recording and I can add my voice to the video. And then after everything is done, you can just click on finish. That's it. Your new video with your new voiceover and then your new size will be ready. As you can see, now the video's time is 1 minute 44 seconds. I hope now you will be easily able to edit your video, you will be able to cut your video, you will be able to add voiceover to your video before sharing it with your students. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.